Hi there, hi everyone, welcome today. Yes, today on Saturday. It's Saturday, June the 25th, 2022. Yes, weekend, and we have here in this additional, we have seven extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2-star Sudoku, the 3-star Sudoku, and the 4-star Sudoku. Then we have a tectonic. In Dutch, it's called Cyberblock with 4 stars. Tectonic with 1 star. And a binary puzzle. Those puzzles, I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all. Half of them I will solve today. I will solve today the 3 stars, the 4 stars Sudoku, the binary, and the tectonic with 4 stars. The other 3 puzzles I will do those tomorrow. Yes, tomorrow it's Sunday, and Sunday we don't have any newspaper on Sunday. So what I will do those 3 on Sunday. But first, these 4, and the first one is a 3 stars Sudoku number. Oh, wait. One pencil. Wait. 4, 7, 5, 4, I believe. Yes. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 25 printed digits. 3 stars is always 25 printed digits, and for 3 stars puzzle I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this first column. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this big square, so no 7 in these 2 boxes. So the 7 could be here, could be there. Well, we see here another 7 in this row. So no 7 there. The only place left for the 7 should be there. 3 missing numbers now in this first column. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in this big square, so no 4 in this box. So the 4 could be here, could be there. We see another 4 in the middle row, so no 4 in this box. So 1 box left for the 4. It should be there. Alright. Okay. 2 missing numbers now in the first column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and the 6, 5 and the 6. And look, we have a 5 in this row. So no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Alright. 3 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing numbers is a 1. We have a 1 in this big square, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 1 should be there. Alright. 2 missing numbers in this column. 4 numbers are 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. We have a 3 in this row, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 5 it goes there. Alright. Okay. Let me see now. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in this big square, so no 5 in these 3 boxes. So the 5 could be here or there. We see here 5 in this middle column, so no 5 there. 5 should be there. Alright. Okay, and then 9 in the third row, 9 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see here 9 in this column, so no 9 there. 9 should be there. Okay. 9. the one in this row, the one in that row. So the row between the middle row, only 2 places left for the one should be here or there. We see here one in this column, so no one there, one should be there, one in the last column, one in that column. So the column between, only 2 places left for the one should be here or there. We see here one in this row, so no one there, one should be there. All right. Okay. Then, let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in this column, so no 1 in these 3 boxes here. 1 in the third row, so no 1 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. All right. Okay, I cannot continue with the 1 now. How about the number? Yeah. The 8 in the first column, the 8 in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this row, so no 8 there. 8 should be there. Okay. All right. Then 2. Yeah. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 2. We have a 2 in the last row, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. So the 2 could be here, could be there. 2 in this column, 2 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle column. So that column, the column next, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 4 missing numbers. In this big square, one of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in this row, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. So the 2 could be here, could be there. All right, I'm thinking. 5, 6, 7, 9. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 3 and the 6. We have a 3 and a 6 in the third row. So no 3 and a 6 in these 2 boxes. The 3 and a 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and a 6, 3 and 6. We have a 3 in this row, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing, and the 8 is missing. 7 and 8, 7 and 8. We have a 8 in this column, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 8. Yeah. 2. I'm thinking. Well, 1 box left in this column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. 9. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 9. We have a 9 in the last row, so no 9 in these 2 boxes. So the 9 could be here, could be there. 9 in the last row, 9 in one of those 2 boxes. In the row above, so in that row, the only 3 places left for the 9 should be here, or there. We see here 9 in this column, so no 9 there. Here 9 in this column, so no 9 there. The only place left for the 9 should be there. 6 in the last row, 6 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6 in this column. So no 6 there, 6 should be there. Then, yeah. Let me think. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. one of the missing numbers is a 5. We have a 5 in this column, so no 5 in these 3 boxes. So the 5 could be here, could be there. 5 in this row, 5 in one of those 2 boxes in the second row. So in the third row, only 2 places left for the 5. Could be here, could be there. 4, 4, and 2, 2, 2. It will be difficult, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number is a 4. We have a 4 in this second row, so no 4 in these 3 boxes. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Alright, so we have a 4 here. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row. So the row below, only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in one of those 2 boxes in this column. So no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4, 4, okay. Then 8, 8. 7, 7. 2, 2, 2. Okay. Alright. Do we have all the 3s? No. 3, 3. They also need a 3. How about the 6? 6, 6. Need a 6 here. Okay, the difficult part. Well, 4, 4, 4, 4. 2, 2, 2, 2. 2, 2, 2. Well, in this column, we have 4 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 2 and the 8. 2 and the 8. 2 and the 8. And look, we have a 2 and an 8 in this row. So no 2 and an 8 in this box. The 2 and an 8 goes in these 3 boxes. 2 and 8. We have an 8 in this row, so no 8 there. Here an 8 in this row, so no 8 there. So the only place left for the 8 should be there. So the 2 should be together with the 4 as a pair. 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4. We have a 2 in this row, so no 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 4 goes there. 1 box left in this column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square. The 5, 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6, and the 7. 5 and the 7. Let me mark those. 7 and a 5. So we have a 7 in this row, 7 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 7 should be there. Then 2 and the 6. Okay, 2 and the 3. 6 and the 9. Let me see. 2 numbers left in the third row. 4 numbers. So 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 4 and 5. We have a 4 in the third column. No 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 5 goes there. Alright. Do we have all the 4s? No. Need to wait. How about the 5s? 5 in the third column, 5 in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in this row, so no 5 there. 5 should be there. And oh, nope. Now we have a 5 here. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with the 7 and a 5. Overlooked this 5. Now we have a 5 here, so this box can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5, and this box should be a 7. Now I can count, and all the 5s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 5. Oh, wait. Seven in this row, third row, 7 in the second row. So in the first row, there are only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We share 7 in the third column, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the row below. So in the last row, there are only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We share 7 in this column, no 7 there, 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can't see. Digit number 2, number 7. 1 box left in this first row for number 1. 1 in the third column, 1 in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. And I've eliminated the 9. So the 9 goes here. Do we have all the ones? And all the ones are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 1. 9. Okay. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 3 in the first column, 3 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only 3 places left for the 3 should be here, or there. We see here 3 in this row, no 3 there. Here 3 in the middle row, so no 3 there. Only place left for the 3 should be there. 3. Cannot continue with the 3, but we have a pair. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4. And look, we have a 2 and a 3 in this row, last row, so no 2 and 3 in this box. The 2 and the 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 3, 2 and a 3. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 4. 1 digit left in the last row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 8 in this column, 8 in the column next, so last column. Now only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this row, so no 8 there. 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see. Digit number 4, number 8. Then 6 in this column, 6 in the column next. So last column, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 1 box left in the middle row for the number 1, the 2 is missing. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, the 2 is missing. 1 box left in the last column for the number 1, the 2 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. We have a 4 in this row. No 4 there, 4 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 and more. That box should be 3, and this box should be 2. Then 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, the 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 6 and a 9, 6 and a 9. We have a 9 in this column. No 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and the 6, 2 and the 6. We have a 6 in the third column. No 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Final 2 numbers in this big square. For the numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, the 7 and 8, and the 9 is missing. 6 and 9, 6 and 9. We have a 6 in this row. No 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Finish in 18 minutes. Well. 3 stars? No. Let me give this a 2 stars. Because I'm faster than the 20 minutes. But I like this one. Yes, I like this Sudoku. I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the second puzzle 8 4 stars Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.